When you take a stroll through most supermarkets nowadays, there's a very likely chance that you'll come in contact with at least one genetically modified product. Corn, papayas, potatoes, squash, and apples are just a few of the many genetically modified products that are USDA approved. Today, though, we'll be focusing on the papaya to better understand how genetic modification happens and why it is becoming so big in agriculture. To answer these questions, we must first ask ourselves, what is genetic engineering? It is the modification of an organism's characteristics by manipulating its genetics. This can allow a plant to survive a drought or be disease resistant. Genetic engineering benefits farmers because the crop is less likely to die. It can also help world hunger since the farmers are less susceptible to crop failure and more food can be produced. Now that we understand what genetic engineering is, we can go back to the papaya to understand how it works. It all starts with a plasmid, a small circular DNA which is commonly found inside the cell of a bacteria. What's interesting about plasmids is that they replicate separately from DNA. But because of chemical attractions, they also have the ability to insert themselves into the bacteria's DNA. What does this mean for the papaya? Because they were suffering from papaya ring spot virus, they couldn't grow normally. Instead, they were prone to yellowing, leaf distortion, bumps, and ring spots. The ability to alter a plasmid's genetic information enabled researchers to insert particular chemical sequences that made the papaya resistant to PRSV. Now, because the genetics of the papaya were altered, papaya ring spot virus will no longer affect those genetically modified papayas. So there it is, the basic science behind GMOs so that you can be more knowledgeable about what surrounds you every day.